Create high-quality prints without spending a fortune. The best 3D printers on a budget combine precision, reliability, and affordability, making them ideal for beginners, hobbyists, and creators who want to bring their ideas to life without compromising on performance or print quality. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. FLASHFORGE 3D Printer. The FLASHFORGE 3D printer from the Adventurer 5M series is a top-tier choice for those seeking efficiency, precision, and convenience on a budget. Its one-click automatic bed leveling system ensures flawless first layers and eliminates the need for manual calibration, saving time while enhancing print consistency. The 12x ultra-fast printing capability, powered by a Core XY structure with a 600 mm per second travel speed and 20,000 mm per second squared acceleration, allows users to create detailed models rapidly without compromising accuracy. Designed with versatility in mind, this printer features a high-flow nozzle capable of reaching 200 degrees seconds in just 35 seconds and supports quick 3-second nozzle swaps for flexible, continuous printing. Dual fan nozzles, vibration compensation, and a direct extruder reaching up to 280 degrees centigrade contribute to high-quality, smooth finishes on every print. Additionally, the dual-sided PEI platform offers easy model removal and adaptability for various materials. The FlashMaker mobile app enables real-time monitoring and smart control from anywhere, making this printer perfect for both beginners and advanced creators. Number 2. FLASHFORGE AD5M 3D Printer. The FLASHFORGE AD5M 3D printer delivers a powerful combination of user-friendliness and professional-grade performance, making it an excellent choice for creators of all levels. Its fully automatic one-click leveling system guarantees precise first layers every time, removing the frustration of manual calibration. Built on a Core XY all-metal motion structure, it ensures fast, stable, and low-noise operation, even at high printing speeds. The AD5M's quick-release nozzle design allows effortless swapping between multiple nozzle diameters, 0.25, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8 mm, supporting both detailed and large-scale projects. With high precision and durability, this model delivers smooth surface finishes and reliable output across various materials. The AD5M also integrates smart connectivity, allowing users to monitor and control prints via the FlashMaker app and Orca FlashForge slicer software, which supports one-click file transmission and multi-printer management. Its rapid heating, superior cooling, and enhanced extrusion system make it perfect for continuous creative use. Number 3. Creality Ender V3 3D Printer. The Creality Ender V3 3D printer stands out as a highly efficient, high-speed model designed for users who want fast, accurate results at a great price. With a maximum speed of 250 mm per second and an acceleration of 2,500 mm per second, it significantly reduces printing time, up to 73% faster than many competitors, while maintaining outstanding print quality. Its powerful Sprite direct extruder features an all-metal dual-gear system for smooth filament feeding and excellent grip, making it compatible with materials such as PLA, TPU, and PETG. This ensures consistent, clog-free printing even in long projects. The CR Touch auto leveling sensor and strain gauge for automatic Z offset adjustment make setup quick and stress-free, eliminating the guesswork of manual calibration. Stability is further enhanced by dual Z-axis lead screws and precision-engineered Y-axis steel shafts, reducing wobble and ensuring cleaner layers and finer details. The Creality Ender V3 combines advanced engineering with user convenience, making it an excellent choice for beginners and experienced users alike. Number 4. Entina Tina 2 Basic 3D Printer. The Entina Tina 2 Basic 3D Printer is an ideal option for beginners, kids, and educators who want a fun, simple introduction to 3D printing. Fully assembled and ready to use right out of the box, it eliminates the complexity of traditional setup, allowing users to start printing within minutes using the included TF card model. Its compact size, only 8.3 by 8.3 by 11.4 and weighing 3 kilograms, makes it a perfect fit for desktops, classrooms, and small workspaces. Despite its small footprint, it delivers consistent results within its 100 by 105 by 100 millimeter build volume. Equipped with a 2.4-inch LCD screen and WeBuilder slicer software, the printer supports easy offline printing via microSD card. Its auto-leveling feature ensures precise layer adhesion and smooth results, while the magnetic removable build plate simplifies model removal. The Tina 2 Basic also includes a resume printing function, allowing users to continue where they left off after a power interruption. Affordable, quiet, and user-friendly, the Entina Tina 2 Basic offers a seamless printing experience, making it an excellent choice for beginners who want a reliable entry-level 3D printer that delivers quality and simplicity in one compact machine. Number 5. HEFI 3D Tina 2S 3D Printer. The HEFI 3D Tina 2S 3D printer delivers a powerful blend of smart technology and beginner-friendly design, making it one of the most versatile compact 3D printers available. Fully assembled and ready to print, it supports wireless operation via the PoloPrint Cloud app, offering one-click slicing and direct cloud printing from a smartphone or tablet. This printer is fully open source and compatible with popular software like WeBuilder, Cura, and Prusa Slicer, allowing customization and flexibility for creative users. With an ultra-quiet printing environment of 40 to 50 decibels, it's perfect for homes, classrooms, or offices. The upgraded system offers print speeds up to 200 millimeters per second, with a responsive CPU ensuring smoother, faster operation. Auto-leveling across all axes eliminates setup hassle, and the resume printing feature prevents disruptions from power loss. The heated PEI magnetic platform improves adhesion and minimizes warping, while the enhanced cooling system maintains print quality and reduces clogging. Compact yet powerful, the HEFI 3D Tina 2S combines advanced features with effortless usability, making it an ideal 3D printer for hobbyists, educators, and families who want high-quality prints without the complexity or high cost. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.